Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to do the AC reset on your Fossil chronograph watch after you have replaced the watch battery. For today's video we have a chronograph Fossil watch, and what you want to do is to inspect the back of the watch after you have inserted the new watch battery and to look for a place where we have either an AC or a minus. And in my case it is going to be this point right here, and I want to connect that point, so this hole right here, with the plus of the battery. Usually you can find the sticker either on the movement or on the back of the watch, but in our case it is missing. But you need to do this in order to eliminate all possible errors. So what I want to do is to insert one tip of my metallic pair of tweezers inside that hole and then connect it with the plus of the battery, just like this, and I'm going to hold it for around 3 seconds. Afterwards you can actually look at the watch and make sure that the seconds hand is ticking. After you have done the AC reset, you also need to do the hand alignment of your chronograph watch and also to set the time and date. I have a full guide with all the functions and features of the Fossil chronograph watch, and I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, as well as the full guide with the battery replacement from start to finish in case you are interested. I'm going to leave links in the description box below to both of these, so make sure to check them out, guys. In case you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot. I would love to see you around, and once again guys, subscribe, and I'm going to see you on the next one.